How to make sure that people find our videos on YouTube and our video ranks well and they click on it, therefore we build our authority and increase the organic traffic from YouTube. This is the end goal, not just publishing the video, but making sure that the video performs well. How do we do it? There are 4 major changes. 1. Settings on the published YouTube videos. Title, description, and tags are the most important components that will make the YouTube video searchable. To increase the ranking, we need to rewrite the title, description, and tags based on YouTube keyword research. Use vidIQ and TubeBuddy for YouTube-specific keyword research. 2. Thumbnail. A major increase in ranks can be achieved by showing up for 2nd, not 7th. The YouTube thumbnail is crucial for increasing the click-through rate. 3. Advanced settings. After the video is created and published, the after work is also important. Handles, transcription, translation, end screen, and captions are very important and will increase our ranking and click-through rate. Measurement. The ranking and the entire traffic on each video are automatically measured by YouTube. All the components are 100% measurable and can be repeated in all other TM-related YouTube channels. The thumbnail can be A/B tested, but first let's fix it, because now we don't keep the best practices. The next step, building our email list from YouTube organic traffic, is highly recommended. Below each YouTube video, there has to be a link to build our email list, like a link to our landing page and downloadable lead magnet. Why? Because as soon as we build a list, we are in control, and otherwise there is very little chance that after watching one video, someone will come to a TM.